welcome back again. So this is a day 2 hike from Sitrabung Hydel project to Merebong. So yes, we will are taking the tea garden trail. So enjoy the beauty of tea garden of Darjeeling. Let's keep going. So we're still walking toward Rishi Hat, and this journey is really beautiful. So we walked all that trail yesterday, and we stayed at the Hydel project itself. So yes, it's amazing that what we have done yesterday. It feels great. Still, my friends are going on, and yes, from little onwards we will leave this Esplat road and we will walk in the tea garden. So that's going to be interesting. So we just left the Esplat road and now we are taking the tea trail. So we're going towards this ridge, Rishi Hat. Yes, journey continue. Let's keep going. This is the trail we're taking. This is beautiful. Now we have to cross the bridge, and this is beautiful. You can see the beautiful river here. Wow. So yes, we have just crossed the river, and this river is the border between the Bloomfield Tea Estate and the Rishi Hat Tea Garden. So now we are ascending up to the Rishi Hat. Let's go! Woo! Hi Aditya.
Hello.
So it's our second day.
Yes, it's our
How it's
second
going,
day.
man?
Everything is going fine till now. Just had a little bit cramps from yesterday's walk, but I hope after a few kilometers we'll be okay.
Great.
So let's rock.
Yes, let's keep going. The view is amazing, and yes, you can see the Darjeeling Hills, Singmari, all the way. And yes, our fellows are going up. The journey continue, and yes, no matter what, but the weather is good. It's not raining and it's not sunny, so that's why we can walk easily in this valley. If it's sunny, then it's going to be very humid and hot. So yes, the journey is always beautiful, but you have to go to the right direction. Let's keep going. Enjoy the view.
Hello. Yo.
This is the bottom of the Lisa Hill, and the place is 1131 meter above the sea level. So yes, and our next destination is Merebong, and there we will end our hike. So yes, this is one of the most interesting exploration of the bottom of Darjeeling. So yes, keep hiking, keep walking. This is really good. Okay, so here let's meet Amar Daju from Rishi Hat, local, and who is doing this nursery. So yes, it's beautiful. Lot of snake plants. These are really good for the room purification, and many succulents, the cacti. Wow, so nice. So yes, when you travel, you always got to see something new. This is beautiful. So the journey started from Lisa Hill to Marebung. It's such a nice trail. Yes, journey continue, and we have done approx 1k from the Lisa Hill. Still we are in the Lisa Hill Tea Garden, but like we are going up to Marebung. And here, like, we don't know how much the distance, but as for the local, if we cross the 6 ton, then we will reach the Marebung. So let's keep going. धन्यवाद. Bye bye, end गर्दै. Time. Okay, here we are at Marebung. So yes, it was an epic trail, an interesting hike. So yes, we accomplished our mission. So now I am going to end, but before I end my vlog, I will take the review of this trail, this amazing place from my friend. So stay tuned. Hi Bisalda.
Hello, bye.
So yes, this was our second day hike,
Right.
and we have done it.
We have.
So yes, 2 days, 2 amazing days. So what you have to say about the trail, about our experiences?
See, we christened this trail as the Lost Heritage Trail.
Right.
And from what we have done for the last 2 days, from yesterday and today, I think the name is apt. It's a perfect name because we are connecting the heritage that we have lost in Darjeeling. So I would also like to add, this could be also known as the ancestral trail,
Great.
where our
Sounds great.
fathers used to walk these trails, and it just needs a little bit of maintenance, but they are as good as it was yesterday, in the yesteryears. So I believe that we should preserve this trail and make it something that our coming generations will preserve and will experience. One of the things that I would also like to add is preservation of the culture that we had some 100 years ago, and in the closer proximity about 40-50 years ago. I think this has to be maintained and put in balance with the coming changes of time. So a delicate balance has to be maintained. So, well, I hope in the future a lot of our people will connect with these trails, and HSCD will always be there to guide, to preserve this trail.
Thank you very much, Bisalda, for your beautiful words. It was really a nice day, a nice hike with you. So yes, looking forward to more hikes together. Thank you, Bisalda. Hello, Vipinda.
Hello, bye.
So how was your day?
Yeah, I enjoyed my time a lot with the HSCD members, and the most important thing is that I enjoyed the trial so much, and it was, one of the wonders of our culture and traditions in which we are living. And it's really difficult, and it's really nice to see the people, surviving out here and living their daily hoods out here, and also the flora and fauna of this place are wonderful, and the trial was also really very nice. And I felt, how our, the people of our tree plantation, they worked, very hard out here, walking these up and downs of this trail, for their daily livelihood. And and even the people out here, they are very welcoming, and also they are very supporting. When we are in a problem, when we got confused on the way, they were always ready to help us and showed us the correct way to reach our destination. And I will feel really thankful to those people who helped out in this hiking trail. And also I enjoyed a lot with you all guys, and you guys were wonderful, and none of us we had a problem on the way. And especially I would like to thank Bisalda for his wonderful knowledge that he had shared with us on the way, when we are making a pause on the way, and he was always there to share his knowledge. And and also it was nice to be with you all guys, and I really enjoyed the this hiking this hiking with you all. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, Bipinda. We are looking forward to more hike together.
Yes,
So let's
yes,
keep
obviously, I would love to do the hiking with you all guys once more,
Yes. So let's hear something from my friend Lokesh. Yeah, bro.
Yes, bro.
So how was your experience these 2 days?
It was good. It was adventurous. So actually, this is my plan to cover this belt. So whenever I pass this route, so finally, HSCD team, we have did it. So this is beautiful. So everybody has to try this. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Lokesh. Yes, Aditya.
Hello
So
there.
yes, we did it.
Yes,
So-
we completed the trail, and we marked I think all the locations which were in our map, and this is one of the most amazing hike I have done in our region. Okay, I have been to these places many times, but not to this trail. So like I have heard Lisa Hill, only the name. Okay.
Yes, exactly.
So today I witnessed with my own eyes, and the amazing part was like while coming up to the tea garden, I noticed a lot of different birds, beautiful birds. So I think it's very good for like bird watchers. They could come here, explore this place,
Yes.
and I could see the local culture and
Yes.
the people. They're surviving in this tea garden. Some are facing the harsh life. Mostly the youths. We didn't found much youths in these places. So according to the local people sayings, more than 20, 30 youths are working in abroad countries or in other states. So we felt a little bit sad about that, because
There is no opportunity.
yeah, there is no opportunity in our place, and the village looked empty.
Yes.
It was silent. Only the senior citizens were there. So I hope for the better future, and we'll come with more videos like this,
Yes.
and more new places. So keep watching and subscribe and like. Thank you.
Okay. Nice, Aditya. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we will hike together
Yes, sir.
one more time
Yes,
very
sir.
soon.
Not one more time, many times.
Yes. Okay. Okay.